I remember dealing with 40 central government ministries for a span of 2 years. There were joint secretaries, additional secretaries, and on many occasions, I had not even asked. But they told me, Beta, this is not a place where you can make a change. Your peers, your juniors, your seniors will come and tell you, maybe not in public, maybe in private. Kuch nahi ho sakta. But then it depends, what do you do with that information? Do you ignore it, or do you take it with yourself and make some change in life? During my time with Government of India, I was 23. I had an offer from a prestigious management consulting organization, giving me a huge paycheck. At the same time, I got an offer from Government of India to serve as a lateral advisor. Not a good paycheck. I remember my father, who had served in public sector unit for the longest period of time. He told me that, Beta, you take that private sector job offer. It's paying you well. But contrary to what he advised, and that's how I always have lived my life, I have not taken his advice on many occasions. But of course, he's one person that I admire the most. I went ahead and took that job offer. Now, we did multiple projects. This is approximately 10 years ago. One of them was around Swachh Bharat Mission, when it was the flagship program of Honorable Prime Minister. Another was around digitization of paperwork. I'll share that story as well. And then there were many more projects. I remember dealing with 40 central government ministries over a span of 2 years. There were joint secretaries, additional secretaries, and on many occasions, I had not even asked. But they told me, Beta, this is not a place where you can make a change. Imagine a 55-year-old, 58-year-old secretary, joint secretary of Government of India, who has gotten his hair grey, serving this country, is telling me without me even asking him, what is that you can't change this country, you can't change the setup. And I was someone who had a fire in my belly and I really wanted to change. So I was giving this example to UK Ranerji just before we met, and what we were trying to do was we were trying to digitize paperwork, and I have been told that ONGC has done a fantabulous job at digitizing paperwork, so congratulations to all of you. What we were told, in the last 10 years, just 3 ministries in central government were completely digitized. By completely, I mean more than 80% of their paperwork was digitized. More than 80%. In 6 months, we digitized more than 30 ministries. In last 10 years, how many? 3. In 6 months, we digitized more than 30. Sounds like magical work, right? Of course, I wouldn't take the entire credit of that work. I had a fantastic team. A lot of support from senior bureaucrats, a lot of support from the PMO office as well. But what I'm largely trying to say is, if you want power in your life, it will come from initiative taking, irrespective what your peers are doing in the organization. Within this organization also, your peers, your juniors, your seniors will come and tell you, maybe not in public, maybe in private. Kuch nahi ho sakta. But then it depends, what do you do with that information? Do you ignore it? Or do you take it with yourself and make some change in life?